morning. So I thought I would take you guys along with me, just kind of going over my daily routine, I guess. Today is a peaceful day because I just have class tonight, but during the day I usually try to like film or try to run like other errands and stuff, so that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I just made some ramen and then I like sauteed some cabbage. I don't know if you guys can see. My room's a mess. I wanted this video to be like a really chill video, just kind of updating you guys on where I've been because I kind of disappeared for like 2 months and I'm back now, so yeah, let's go. Okay, I just got done getting ready for school and stuff. This is what I'm wearing, just some jeans and a white t-shirt. I'm gonna film another video. I'm gonna tidy up my bathroom and then I'll probably pack up and get ready to go to school. It's actually a pretty nice day outside, so I'm pretty excited to get there a little earlier today. I was watching Boy Meets World. It's like a show that I'm binging right now. Hi everybody. So I am back. I cleaned my bathroom today, which was awesome. Just one step closer to really decluttering my mind, cleaning everything up. Whoa, look at that lighting right there. So now it's 3:20 something. I should probably get going. I'm gonna just pack up my stuff and then go to school. Look, this is all trash right there. Oh, this is too. I should probably take it out now. Changed my outfit as well because I'm not really digging this. Green sweater, yeah. No, I don't go to Baylor. No, I never went to Baylor. My cousin did actually, and she gave me this sweater, and I really, really like it. Yep, I think this is the one. Okay. This is our outfit for today. I always feel like whenever I dress up to go to class, I can focus a lot better. I don't know if anybody else feels the same way, but that's how I feel, so that's why I do it. Okay, I'll see you guys in the car. There we go. Woo! Okay. So the reason why I haven't been around lately is because the past 2 months, after my 21st birthday video was released, I just got super duper busy with school and work. I switched to another job, and so I was doing that, and you know, being in school full time, usually I could handle it, but now that I'm in my 3rd year, you know, coursework is getting a little more hectic, in my opinion. So I've been working a lot and doing that, and also I am looking to like transfer in the next semester as well, so I've been applying to different schools. I won't mention anything yet until I hear some good news back. So it is going to be out of state, so I won't be in Colorado anymore, and to me it's like kind of bittersweet because, you know, this is something that I really want and I've been waiting for a while, and I think I've just been so afraid of doing it, and now I'm doing it and I'm like super excited about it. And then also after I applied to my schools, I then got a new job offering as a management position at a different place. I decided to take it, and that happened after Valentine's Day. So after Valentine's Day, it was like non-stop from there. Before I started the new job as the like management position, I got an offer to go to New York because of my cousin. So, you know, big thanks to him because I went over there for like a retreat. It wasn't like super religious. I mean, it was, you know, I'm Buddhist. I think I just really needed a breather from everything that I was doing and everything that I was taking on. And I had a lot on my plate. So when I went over there, I had some time to think, and you know, I came back and I realized where I'm at right now in my life, I need to be doing things that I want to be doing, and that means that, you know, I need to be doing things that are gonna make me happy, and that doesn't mean working all the time. There's a lot of new things that I want to implement in my life now. You know, I hope all of this is like making sense. I'm kind of just talking about everything that's like in my head. I'm just like dumping it all out, like vomiting it everywhere. And every time I would sit down and I would try to film a video for you guys, I didn't like the way I filmed it, and then when I would start to edit something that I did like, I would hate it, and it just didn't motivate me enough to keep creating more content. I think I just need to kind of get re-inspired again and kind of open up a little more, because even in my previous videos, I feel like you guys, I was being myself, but I feel like I was sheltering myself a little bit, so that's something that I'm still working on, obviously. You know, trying to get used to talking to the camera, trying to really show you guys who I am as a person, because, you know, I'm kind of a hot mess sometimes, but it's okay. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and so far it's been good. And what was I gonna say? Woo! That's when you need a car mount. I'm getting ready to move to a new apartment in like a month and a half. So before I do that, I really have been wanting to like clear out all of my stuff and really declutter and kind of step into like a minimalism lifestyle. So what I mean by that is, when I was in New York, I got to see how the nuns and the monks lived, and it was awesome because, you know, they really don't have much and they're doing fine. They're doing just fine, and they're happy with their lives and where they're at. And I think I just want to simplify my life a little more by getting rid of a lot of tangible things that I just don't need, and maybe eventually get rid of stuff that will just better my lifestyle overall. So yeah, I wanted to create a series on here just kind of showing you guys my journey on going into minimalism. This was actually a collab with my really good friend Colette. She's from Oregon. Her channel is Colette is a Bear. She's so cute. You guys have got to check her out. Otherwise, I hope you guys have been well. I'm just gonna drive to school safely now because this camera situation is not looking good. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I just got to school. Also, yes, I didn't mention before, but I am a blonde now. I guess I just feel more of myself, and one day I just got really bored with my dark hair, so I was just like, well, fuck it. And I booked up an appointment with my really good friend Diana, and she did an amazing job. So yeah, okay, I'll see you guys after class. Hi guys, I'm back from class. I don't know if I want to head home first or if I want to go to a coffee shop and get some work done. I might go to a coffee shop actually. No, I should go home. I want to show you guys the view that I have from school, which is really nice. I'll show you. Look at that. Sorry, my car's so dirty. Get it together, Angela. I'm gonna drive home safely now, probably listen to some music. Let me know if any of you guys have watched The Greatest Showman. Hands down, probably one of my favorite movies or musicals of all time. Like, oh my gosh, it was like really freaking good. It made me cry. Every time I watch it, it makes me cry. I watched it 3 times in theater. And you best bet when it comes out on like DVD or something, I'm gonna get it for my mom and my sisters to watch, because I don't know, I think we just all, like, my family just has like an appreciation for musicals, I think. And yeah, I really love the soundtrack, so every time I'm like in the car or like in the shower, I'm usually blasting the soundtrack. That's it for now. I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi guys, sorry, I just had like a super long conversation with my little sister and my mom, just catching up on everything. I'm gonna start editing this video now, but yay, stay tuned. Sometimes before I edit something, I like to watch like some of my favorite YouTubers to kind of get inspired on how I want to edit, and it's just a nice like wind down after I come back from school, because I'm pretty brain dead after class usually, so just like coming back and chilling out for a little bit before I actually start getting into work. So yeah. Oh, I want to turn on my aromatherapy thing. Let me show you guys. From my mommy. And how you turn it on. There you go. Just do like a few drops. You just kind of let it blow up some steam. like that. Hey guys, I haven't really gotten any work done. I was just watching some videos for a little bit, and I'm gonna start actually working now, so yay!